Guess what I'm unboxing today? Slime. It's from the company Boozy Slime. I'm gonna unbox it now, and then I'll show you. Okay, let's see. Oh, gosh. Okay, we've got the slime here. I ordered Lover. It's a blue and pink slime, and when I mix it, it's probably gonna turn purple. I have activator spray, and let's see. They gave me 2 Mentoses for free. Anything else? No. Bye box. Bye plastic. Bye paper. Okay. Firstly, open the slime. Lever. Oh. This is the. Oh, it smells like sham. Oh, it smells amazing. Very. Texture is very wet. Let me take it out now. Oh gosh. I think this is for drizzles. Whoa. So pretty. Okay. So it's got this very pretty purple, and it feels wet, but it's a brilliant slime, and it's just amazing. And I've got these sprinkles as well. Forgot to mention the amazing sprinkles. Oh, whoopsies! I'm gonna tip it into the lid. Whoa! This is what it looks like. Okay, you know, sprinkles. And now we have to mix the sprinkles with the slime. Cloud slime. With all those charms, it feels amazing. Anyways, bye! Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Cha. Finish. Bye.